How to delete Duolingo account permanently. So if you want to delete your Duolingo account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar search for Duolingo and go to the first search which says www.duolingo.com, and make sure to log into your account. And after logging in, on the left side you will have a bunch of options. You can click on more, and then you have to go to settings, and under settings you have to click on account, and under account if you scroll down you will find delete my account option on the last, and click on that. So before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now if you want to access your personal data on Duolingo, then you can click on that, or if you want to delete it, then you can click on erase personal data. And now if you want to delete your account, then you have to go to your Gmail to have your further process. And now open up your mail which Duolingo has sent you. And now if you want to delete, then click on this link. And after that, now you have confirmed that you would like to have your account deleted. Now you have 7 days grace period during which you can change your mind, and after the 7 days this process can't be stopped. So your account has been deleted, but for 7 days grace period you have to not log into your account. But if you logged into your account, then your account will not be deleted. So you should not log into your account. So that's it, that's the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.